Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to show you a useful electronic project that beginners can make and will be very helpful for every home. All you need some basic electronic components like a 5-volt relay, some capacitors, one BC547 transistor, 2 ampere bridge rectifier, some resistors, few diodes, infrared receiver and emitter LED, and few terminal connectors. Any beginner can make it on this pref board, but instead of messing up the connections on pref board, I first prepared the simple circuit diagram in CAD, and is divided into 3 working sections. First section is rectification, converting AC to DC. Second section is regulation, regulating DC voltage at 5 volts. And third is switching with self-locking, which is main function of this circuit. Then I converted schematics into the PCB layout. And the PCB is going to be look like this. You can download both circuit diagram and PCB files, link is in video description. In order to manufacture this PCB, go to the video description, and with this link sign up on jlcpcb website. On the homepage of jlcpcb website, here you can add the Gerber file I provided. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity in the color of PCBs as per your requirements. And then save to cart for checkout. Within some days I got my order from jlcpcb delivered. And the quality of the PCBs is amazing, and 5 pieces is for just $2. And now it is time to assemble the PCB. So, let's place all the components on the PCB according to the circuit diagram. And after spending some time with the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl alcohol. And here our PCB is looking nice and clean. Now you need TTP223 touch sensor module. And connect the B pads together. And on back side, solder on the corner of the PCB, and connect the extension pin. Connect it at its place on PCB. Now solder all the pin on PCB. Use alligator clip wires. Connect it into this connector. Use a bulb holder with plug, and cut the one wire for switching. Connect wires into this connector. I used this bulb as load, connect it in holder. And here you go. Now you can see function of this circuit. It can turn on or off the load, simply by sensing proximity of any object, and also itself locks the on or off state of load. And the best part, it can be also directly operated on AC through this connector. Use AC plug, and connect into this connector. And connect the input and load wires in AC outlet. As you can see, it works perfectly directly on AC source. This circuit can be used in different applications at home, to switch the lighting loads automatically, by sensing the proximity of any object. So, if you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.